Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Metal Gear Rising: Revengeance. In the last video, if I'm not mistaken, we started the Blade Wolf campaign, did a lot of stealthy stealth, did a bit of platforming, badly, albeit, and yeah, Blade Wolf's got his freedom, now he's going to try and leg it, but first...
Destroy it.
Right, yeah, so you can't stealth this section at all. Right, can I... Never mind. Right, just jumping straight into it. I'm going to hide behind here. Because I think, if I'm not mistaken, we did try this fight the last time I recorded and it ended rather badly. For your boy. Because Blade Wolf is not made... No! Get off me. Blade Wolf is not made for open combat. Oh, come on, that didn't hit me. This is bullshit. And I've already swore in the first 30 seconds of my recording. Which I'm sure YouTube will be a big fan of. Ow. Jesus. Well then. That's that ration already used. That's a good sign. Oh, that didn't grab me. What are you talking about? Yeah, return to battle. Thank you. Thank you. Right. You should be nearly dead, please. Thank you. Have we done it this time? There we go. What did we get? D? I'll take it. I will take the D. Right. Let's continue running the hell away. I think that was an enemy jumping over us. Yeah. Ooh. What do you have for me? Grenades that I'm never going to use. Lovely. So yes. Just like the last video. Oh, bollocks. I thought that was going to be a way for me to, you know, like walk along, not fall immediately. Shit. Anyway, that's fine. Jesus. But why, though? Why do you have a bazooka? Oh. Did we just go Ripper mode or something? Oh, hello Grey Fox Cat. How you doing? Right. We have 3% of our HP. I would very much like to get a stealth kill on something. So I can potentially steal their spines. And get some health back. I think I'm going to need to attempt to cross the road. Shit. Alright then. I guess it's just a case of dying. Lovely. Lovely bit of a nosedive from that enemy. Oh, this is going to be a long video. Blade Wolf, thank you. Right, there we go. And a one. What the? Not quite the stealth kill I expected. From a thing that can, you know, chop shit to pieces with a chainsaw attached to its ass. Not what I expected. Right, we're just going to let this clear and hopefully get stealth kills on things. Never mind. Because this guy decided he wanted to have a peek. Which he's not allowed. Do not peek at the doggo. We've been through this. Oh, they're firing missiles. This is not good. Come on then, boys. Shit. That was an attempt of a parry, I promise. I did not just decide to pick a fist fight. Oh, it's dead. Did not just decide to pick a fist fight with a missile. If that had have landed, that would have been amazing to see. Right. Sorted. What are we going to get for this? C. Not much better than the first one, then. What we got? Got a gecko. We've got a big dude. We've got a birdie boy that's leaving. Whoops. Oh well. Whoa, that hit hard. Jesus. I know, like, the whole gimmick here is stealth, but... Jesus. Didn't think they'd hit me that hard. Right, we're going to hold the fort down here. You completely cheese the situation. Gecko, put down that gun. Gecko, what do you have? A gun. No! If you know that meme, good for you. No, you haven't. You found nothing. Don't know what you're talking about. Shit, he's out of the range. Down. Nice. And another D. I'm not doing very well. That's what I'm noticing. I'm doing a bit shit, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I thought that was another chest. God damn it. Oh. The fuck? Right. I was about to say, how am I dealing with this thing, though? So I don't think you can get a stealth kill on this. Or maybe you can. Let's find out. Huh. The more you know. You can just ram your chainsaw through it. I think I saw a dude there. Yeah, I thought I did. We've got two dudes. The big robot. And I haven't really got the health, so... stealth will be my only option. As long as that robot stays back there. That isn't going to happen. Balls. Oh. Right. That's the dude. Deaded. How did he even see me? Because he was in caution, like, he thought he knew where I was. But like how? Alright. Right. I know this isn't the most riveting of content or commentary, but not a lot I can say when it's super stealthy. Alright. Give me more health. Blade Wolf. Stop defying physics. Thank you. And stab in the back. Beautiful. Now we should have got like an S, yeah. Didn't get spotted on nothing. Who's this?
Ahead is an electromagnetic barricade. It uses the EMP wave to disable any UG or cyborg that tries to cross. Unless you are a contractor with the proper access code, of course. Now what? Kill a contractor and take his access code, perhaps?
Yeah.
A pity little pets like yourself aren't given the code,
Why is she helping us? We just chopped one of her arms off. So he's the thing we've got to kill. Okay then. How do we approach this? Because we have a cow up there. Got a cup. Oh, he's moved. This makes my life a hell of a lot easier. Since these dudes have, like, the eyes of, like, imbeciles. Whoa. Camera got a little bit janky.
Well, they found you. Best of luck.
No, they didn't. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Shit. Balls. Can we not just use the thing? Of course not. Shit. Right. Sword. Oh, shite. Didn't think the cow could get in the door. If I'm being completely honest. Oh. I might have just got away with it. There is no There is no mayo. There is no way running away like a moron actually worked. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Nice. But he's really not in a good position, like, for me. Kinda need him to fuck off. Or, like, turn somewhere. Like, the cow, I can get rid of fairly easily. It's got a nice, big, wide circle that it walks in. The guard, not so much. If I just walk out here. Huh. This could be quite annoying, I think. I'm going to wait for the cow to turn back around. Then I'm going to bolt forwards to see if I can get behind him and the cow. Also, if you're watching this and don't know why I call that thing the cow, watch the rest of the playthrough. You'll figure it out. Oh well, it'll be explained in that. Right. Cow's dead. Man's dead. Perfect. Right, let me go and open this box and get more health. Because it will help for the... oh, never mind. It's not more health, it's more fuel. More spinal fluids. Boop. Blade Wolf is the super sneakiest. Actually, that's what I need to say. I have put a post out about it.
What now? You think you will run to the coast? To freedom?
It's the plan.
Let me save you time. You won't make it. Just give up now, while you still can.
No. But yeah, I did put a post up about it. By the time this video is up, it'll have been like a week ago. Because there is a Steam sale on at the moment. And I want to know what games you guys want to see. I've had a couple of recommendations for games. Games that I do want to play, albeit I might not get around to straight away because they are both. They are all really long games. So I don't know if I'll get around to every single one of them, like, say, right after this. But definitely games I'm thinking about playing. Along with that, though, I'm also considering playing the Amazing Spider-Man game, or I think it might just be called The Spider-Man. Something along those lines. You know the one I mean. The Spider-Man game, and if anyone knows, like, Dragon Ball Z and such, the Kakarot, I'm thinking about picking that up since I've actually never played it. Who spotted me? I consider that a lie. Right, we're going to have to retreat a little bit. Shit. Right, just run around like a jackass. And eventually they'll lose you. It's what we learned the last time. I want that though. I don't think I'm going to lose these guys. But at the same time, I genuinely think if I try to fight, I'm just guaranteed to sort of die. Can I interact with this? No. Like, there's just nowhere for me to really, like, hide away. where there's even a chance that they'll not spot me. Unless I can hide behind that corner. Fuck. Oh. Have I just pulled something like great off here? I think that was a triple kill. A triple kill. No. A triple. How the fuck? There we go. Right. Can I have your spine, please? There we go. But yeah, I think I just got the maddest triple kill you've ever seen. That was super impressive. But yeah, so I'm thinking of picking up like Kakarot. Spider-Man. Stuff like that. Right, so I can't get beyond there. So do I have to go around? Yeah. So, like I say, in the comments of this though, if you have any other games that you're interested in seeing, I have had, like I say, a few recommendations already on that post. But let me know. This channel is just as much about games I want to play as it is about games you want to see. Right. I love that stealth animation. It's like, defeat 30 minutes story. Some shit. No, can't get through that. Right, so we've got 2 more Blade Wolves up there. Can I stealth a Blade Wolf? Apparently so. And the other one isn't exactly in a place where it can really do anything about me. Son of a bitch. Well, I've fought one of these things before, I can do it again. And that one had a boss health bar. Have that. And sorted. Albeit a very close-up shot of my face there. Boom. What we got? S. For Sonic. Because we're super speedy. Right, let's move on. But yeah, I'm probably going to finish this DLC in this video. Fuck off. You haven't found anything. Don't know what you're talking about. I thought that was just a really small man there. Right. But yeah, so I'm going to attempt to complete this in this video. I think I can. Oh, this is going to be a bitch. I think I'm going to have to take out balls. I was about to... If they don't jump down again, I should be fine. Right. Now this might be difficult. What the fuck? They have got some strong legs. Not the one I wanted to kill. Oh yeah, here we were. And... oh well. That ended pretty well for me, all things considered. Right. Break the box. Right, so we've got another dude up here. Does he move at all? See if he doesn't. Yeah, this is surprisingly simple for me. Right. Break that. Give me whatever that is. It's another fuel cell. I swore I said there was another one over here. Ah, I was looking at that. Right, where's the other dude? Oh, for fuck's sake. You would put him in such a fucking awkward spot. God damn it, game. Ah, well, it doesn't matter. It's only him. So, I reckon we can deal with it pretty straightforward easily. I am so good with words. I am a word genius. Right, there we go. And I think this is the end of the game, not end of the game, end of the DLC, because I think we've got a final boss here and that's it. Which chainsaw is stronger? Definitely the big axe one.
If you don't know freedom, then I can't expect you to get our cause.
He's a robot dog that was made to follow orders. This is the most freedom thing he could do.
But it don't matter. Understand it or not. You'll die for it all the same.
Correct. I will die. Well, someone's going to die for my freedom. But yes, this is Kamzen. I think that's how you meant to say it anyway. And I can't remember exactly what you've got to do here. But there is an attack you've got to like wait for that I think allows you to stealth attack him. I thought it was that, but it isn't. Shit. But it's going to probably take me a little while to remember shit, to be honest. There we go. That was a lovely death. No. Come on. Oh, get out of it with this fucking shit. Yeah, this fight, I do remember whooping my ass a lot when I first played this expansion DLC thing. God damn it. Come on, let me stand, please. Balls. Can I pick up those rations, please? Thank you. Never mind. I really can't remember how I'm actually meant to do proper damage to this guy. Because you're not meant to just, like, brute force it. Thank God I dodged that. You probably can brute force it, I'm just saying you're not meant to. To be fair... Oh, that did hit me. Balls. Yeah, I think I'm dead. Balls. Yeah. Didn't think that was one of those fights that you like have to die in anyway. Walk away. Right. Oh, that was cheap as fuck. Thought I dodged. To be fair, the dodge like and parry in Blade Wolf's campaign isn't great, to say the least. I think, anyway. That frame's unstoppable. To be fair, I kind of wish this boss would have fought Raiden, to be fair. Just because I think it would have been quite funny. Oh, so you can parry him at least. That's nice. Shit. Right. But, to be fair, I also think... Oh, come on, can you just not dodge that or something? As Blade Wolf, because I feel like I am dodging it. Curious. This is what you get, to be fair, for not playing the deal. I did actually dodge that. That attack barely hit me. So, that's fun. Shit off. Ah, balls. Oh, I did half expect that to just flat out killing me, to be fair. Oh, there we go. So you've got to seemingly dodge very last minute, by the looks of it anyway. I really did think you had to stealth this guy, but ow. Apparently not. Which seems really weird for this DLC. We'll see. There we go. Right, come on then, you big bitch. Ain't got nothing on me. I am mighty Blade Wolf. He really is just a bit shit, isn't he? Like, he isn't even fighting on his own 2 feet. Like all the other members of whatever the hell it's called. Oh. That's how you do it. You've got to attempt to parry the big slicey slice. That makes a lot of sense. Shit. Right, so just got to parry him then. To be fair, for this game I should have probably figured that out. But you know. Such is life. Ow. And to be fair, this fight does give you plenty of rations. There we go. Same thing as last time. Just run to the side. And I think that's it. Because I think we did like 30 with the first one. Oh no, he's got a little bit of HP. But what I am going to do is do that. So I don't get hit by that big swing of his. Oh well. Suddenly this fight is a hell of a lot easier. Right. Oh, gotta do a mash. Get out of it. Come here. Have it all. Screw your leg. Arm. Was it his arm? Oh. Become Blade. Become Blade Wolf Blade. Bang. This just proves though how stupendously like shit this guy is. Oh, he doesn't have legs, that's probably why. I didn't realise. Oh, he's an arsehole anyway, but there we go. You got beat by an AI, mate. That's pretty embarrassing. And we got a B. Not too bad. Oh, I can't even do the headbug.
All this. And beaten by a goddamn mutt.
Yeah, it'd be a shit, mate.
It is said all dogs have their day.
Nice.
You little fuck. Finally, I am almost free.
Almost.
You piece of shit. What about the freedom of this whole country?
Screw you.
Freedom cannot be forced on others. It must be earned for oneself.
True.
Mangy, goddamn son of a...
Yeah. There we go. That fight wasn't actually as hard as I still wish we got a balls.
What have you done?
Why, I have activated your range inhibitor. Oh god.
So you didn't even need the remote.
You deceived me.
Such a mighty intellect indeed.
God damn it.
Then I have lost.
Shake.
Kill her. Kill her. Oh, he literally can't disobey. Some bullshit. This angle really makes her look evil as shit. Which, to be fair, she is. She's torturing the AI. Oh, look at these little fuckers dancing around like assholes.
Finally, that bad Tao orgy is out of my way.
Oh, she just wanted
I will come up with a story for the debriefing.
him dead. You will die.
Do they see you? This fight has nothing to do with freedom.
I was gonna say, why is he obeying these fucking things?
You see only logic and reason. You would never understand.
And this is the beach where Raiden appears in like 30 minutes or so. Just from the main game. And then he becomes Blade Wolf.
Wow. Blade Wolf, you've been through so much.
Oh yeah.
That's your name. I hope you like it. So, just after that was when Raiden saved you?
Well,
Yes, he freed me.
saved him.
Like me, he had been forced to kill. He has witnessed the dark side of human nature. But still, he continues to fight for what he believes in.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's why I believe in him.
Yeah, he's awesome.
He
Raiden's
will
great.
keep
Blade
believing
Wolf's great.
and won't ever let it go.
It's just this game, it's awesome. And now he has his freedom. And I've only just now realised this is the first time Blade Wolf is ever called Blade Wolf. Because I'm pretty sure Raiden just calls him Wolf. Even though he's clearly a dog. But, you know, Blade Dog doesn't sound as cool, I guess. And yes, there you have it. That is the Blade Wolf story we got to see, because I'm bad at stealth. Did I actually miss that many encounters? Fuck me. Anyway, either way. Complete DL story 02, Blade Wolf. Yeah. Can I go forward? I can. Are we gonna get a cutscene? No, we're gonna get more credits with, let's be quite honest, the badass chainsaw, like, tail thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave it here, obviously, ladies and gentlemen. In the next video, or the next Metal Gear Rising video, we'll cover Jetstream Sam's story for 2 videos, and then after that, I don't know, to be quite honest. I don't know what we're going to cover after this game. I know we've got God of War currently running, so we will see. Like I say, in the comments of this, please let me know games you might want to see on the channel. I'm considering Kakarot and Spider-Man as my 2 sort of picks, so if you like those, let me know in the comments, because I've never played that Kakarot, and Spider-Man I've also never played. 2 games that are meant to be awesome. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, hit subscribe, because it does massively help the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.